Hi, my name is Lee Min, and this is the house I've designed. The current homeowner is a history enthusiast, and his vision for the house is to retain the original essence of the house with a mid-century modern style and the antique furniture that he has collected.
Dengan hati bersih serta suci, sama-sama hormat dan berbudi.
We replicated the look of one of the existing vans using timber in a painted finish to install overhead to create a demarcation between study and dining. The study was a bedroom that has been converted into an open area to introduce more natural light and to create a larger area to fit in a dining table where he can host the guests. We tried to recreate a mid-century modern style that is infused with characteristics of our local culture through the use of green mosaic flooring and marble look-alike quartz for the island that can be seen in old-school coffee shops. The scallop design for the backsplash was chosen to mirror one of the breeze blocks in the house. This is a room where Zubair Syed used to conduct his music lessons. Pops of color were added with a blue accent wall and red bedside tables. The back door has been replaced with one that has a half-fluted glass panel for natural light to filter in during the day. The bathroom has been enlarged to accommodate for a dry and wet area. We managed to salvage the existing vent that was removed from the demolition of bedroom walls, and we installed it above the new bathroom entrance. I feel very honored to be part of this project, and it has been an exciting experience working on this historical estate to ensure that its heritage value is protected. It is truly a one-of-a-kind experience.
Hidup kita sia-sia, jiwa besar